What's your problem? Really? And what happened? And what did you say? You said what? Oh, really? Oh, that's too bad, mate, eh? Yeah? I don't know what we're going to do. Would you like me to play with you? You really would you? Maybe some tug of war? Alright then. No, I just want everyone on internet land to know that you've already had your walk, okay? Alright. Alright. Tug of war it is. Get your toy. Hey. Dude. Snoop. Dude, get your toy. Get your toy. Is that the one you want to play with? Is that the one? Pick it up. Alright. Shall I film us playing tug of war? Alright, we have to put the camera down. It's going to get very serious soon. Alright, just a sec. Alright.